wanting to recreate this outfit for months. In fact, I should say years, but I always kept postponing it. But when my cousin's haldi came up, I knew this was the moment and I have to recreate this outfit. And when I say recreate, I don't mean the simple copy paste, the whole thing. I study the details, the fabric, the textures, and then I adapt it to my own taste, my own liking. Because fashion is not just duplication, it is interpretation and, taking inspiration and further adapting it to your own taste. So let's start the recreation process and let's begin with the fabric because fabric is where everything starts and it is the canvas of the whole outfit. So the original design had the dotted texture. I couldn't find anything which is same to the original one, but I found something which was very similar in a slightly different texture. And this is where I made a smart decision. I went for dyeable fabrics because when you buy, pre-made fabrics, the design options are very limited and the shade match is hard to find. But going with dyeable fabrics, you have a lot of options available and this you control the shade exact shade match as you want. When you are recreating a look and you have some design or shade in mind, the shade exact shade match matters. So with dyeable fabric, that attaining that exact shade becomes very easier and better. So yeah, that is a very important thing if you want to make any outfit from scratch. Now coming on to the color, the original color of the fabric was purple and it is nice and elegant, but for a haldi function I found it little, not going with the haldi vibes. I wanted something that goes beautifully and, stand out among the, yellow that is going on around. So I went for rani pink color. It is a perfect contrast for yellow and it stands out in a haldi event. It is bold, festive, and personally I love this color a lot. So coming on to the design details, I kept the neck and back design pretty much simple and it is very similar to what was there in original suit. I kept the neck and back pretty much simple like the original suit because the border of the suit is pretty much heavy and it is supposed to be the highlight of the outfit. So that is why other elements like neck, back, and other detailing are like equal to nothing because I wanted the whole focus of the suit on the border detail. Now coming on to the hardest part of this recreation, it is the border. Before starting this outfit, I thought I'm going to find the broad border which I'm going to just get it attached from the tailor. But finding the right shade of pink and golden and not, making it look cheap as well, it was such a task. I could not find a broad border. Then the option I had was, taking individual single laces, form a pattern and then go ahead with it. And it took me like 2 to 3 hours. I went to so many shops, scouted so many options, and though different shops pe I found options jahan pe the golden was not looking cheap and the pink was matching my fabric. And from one shop I bought this slightly broad lace, and after that I went to other shop, took these, thin laces, मेड अ पैटर्न देन एंड देयर ओनली एंड अपने मास्टर जी से मैंने पहले ही पूछा हुआ था कि कितना कितना मतलब कितना लंबा हमको लेस चाहिए, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई आस्क्ड द शॉप वाले भैया कि इतना 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 मेजरमेंट्स दे दो। वहीं पे मैंने पैटर्न अपना पूरा बना के साइज कंफर्म करके आई गॉट इट कट आउट बिकॉज आपने अगर छोटा कट कर लिया या कुछ भी तो it gets wasted. So yeah, this was the lace. It was very difficult to get the same pink and golden color, but finally after a lot of effort I did it, and I actually love how the whole suit has turned out. Like I pretty much love it. Now coming on to the dupatta, the original suit had organza dupatta, but I did not want it to go with organza. First of all, it's very अनईज़ी टू हैंडल एंड मेंटेन। मुझे नहीं पता ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा कैसे कैरी किया जाता है, कैसे सँभाला जाता है। इट जस्ट डज़न्ट सिट राइट इन एनी फॉर्म और पोज़। आई हैव सो मेनी सूट्स जिनके साथ ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा आया है, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट, बट इट्स सो डिफ़िकल्ट टू हैंडल एन ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा। आई पर्सनली लव शिफॉन एंड जॉर्जेट। दे आर फ्लोई, इट स्टिक्स वेल, आप कैसे भी उनको कैरी कर सकते हो। सो फॉर दिस सूट आई वेंट फॉर अ शिफॉन दुपट्टा एंड गॉट इट colored in the same rani pink color. There was no self design or anything on the dupatta. I kept it very much simple because I wanted the attention to be on the suit. The border was the attention, but I added these latkans on four corners and I made sure the latkans aren't too heavy or too light, and these were the perfect latkans that I found, and it gave this suit, the dupatta, everything, a complete look. And yeah, also I took these two, slightly bigger latkans for the back dory of my suit. I had to scout a few shops, but finally I got everything in sync that was matching my Rani pink color, the border, the dupatta latkans, the back latkans, everything just started to come into sync. And honestly, I think this looked so perfect for the haldi function. It was doing the perfect contrast and standing out in the, haldi yellow. Now tell me, would you choose pink or purple? And I'll see you in the next video.